Okay, welcome again. Today we're gonna be doing solve for x. As you can see, we have two sides where we're gonna be working on, and also where we have our worksheet on. So as you can look at this expression, what you must always remember, what gives us direction in math is what? Bodmas rule. So in the beginning there was Bodmas. That's how we start in our math. As you know that Bodmas says that brackets of division, multiplication, and addition and subtraction. So you have to check, do we have brackets? If we do have them, we must start deal with our b. This scenario, we have to remove our brackets. Then how do we remove our brackets? Meaning I always use an arrow method like this. Then you're gonna get your what? 2x. Then this multiply this. Then you're gonna have your negative x squared. You have this multiply this. You're gonna have what? Negative 6. And you have this multiply this. You have your what? Your positive 3x. It's equal to negative 2x. And then now we go to my favorite step, which is grouping of like terms and arranging our expression. So this and this. First we must arrange the expression. We start with the highest degree. Then you have your positive 2x plus 3x. That's how you group them. Then you have your negative 6. It's equals to negative 2x. You take your negative x squared down. Then you sum these two. Then you're gonna have your positive 5x minus 6. It's equals to negative 2x. That is very important. You must always make your equation to be equal to 0. I mean that you have to remove that. You remove that with a positive 2, and you know that we respect the sign. At always we have our negative x squared plus 5x plus 2x that we're going to remove with minus 6. It equals to negative 2x plus 2x. Then we sum our expression. We're gonna have what? Plus 7x minus 6. It equals to 0. Divide with negative so that our highest degree could be positive. Then we're gonna have x squared minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a very important step about trinomials. You know, when we solve or factorize expression that have 3 terms, we look for the factor of the constant number or the last number, that when we multiply them they give us this, and when you add or subtract them they will give us negative 7x. So what are our factors of 6? It's what? 1, 2, 3 and 6. So these multiply each other, they give us what? 6. These multiply each other, they give us it. But we have to find them. When we add them, they're gonna give us negative 7. I mean that we have to have negative 6 and negative 1. That negative 6 minus negative 1 which is what? Negative 7. Then we come and have our 2 brackets. It equals to 0. We have our first term, which is our x, and we took our factors, which is negative 6 and negative 1. We know that all our factors are equal to 0. Then we solve for our x, which is going to have x minus 6 is equals to 0, or x minus 1 is equals to 0. And then we have to solve it. We have minus 6 plus 6 is equals to 0 plus 6. Then our x is equals to what? 6. Then we have x minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0 plus 1. Then x is equals to what? 1. You know, this gives you 0, this 1 gives 0, 1.